What's up everyone, Antlion back with another video. Today we are looking at a headphone cable that will give your favorite in-ear monitors a boom microphone, and you're actually hearing it right now. This sounds extremely good. This kit is made by Antlion Audio. You can get this for the 2-pin connectors in case your IEMs have a 2-pin connector, or you can get it with another connector as well. I always have to look it up. It's a MMCX connector. So generally in-ear monitors have one or the other. If you have the one with the right connector, then you can connect these to any set of earbuds that you would like. And I mean, honestly, these are really nice and the microphone sounds very natural. Now there are a couple of things that I don't like about these. Number one is the cable is about 9 foot long, maybe 8 foot long. So that may be good for some things. But when I'm using this with my cell phone, I have to sit here and just, wind this up like this, put a couple of zip ties around it or something so it doesn't drag on the ground. So the cable is extremely long, so that definitely has its advantage for some things, and it does have a couple of disadvantages as well. As you can see on this photo here, it has a microphone and a headphone jack, which is great if you're trying to plug these into your PC or something like that. But when you're trying to plug these into your cell phone, you have to use this little adapter here that it comes with, and that may not always, hold on a second, that may not fit in some cell phone cases. So then you have to get an additional little headphone extension, or you can always get one of these little USB-C DACs. I mean, this was like $3 or $4. And then you just plug that into your USB port of your phone, and then bam, these will plug right into your phone. Now, I've been using these every day for probably 3 or 4 months now to chat on Discords with my buddies on my phone. They all say I sound crystal clear and extremely clean. I mean, this microphone has a very nice, very natural, very clean sound. These go for around $40 or $50 on Amazon. I think I've seen them as high as $60 sometimes. So if you wait for the right sale, sometimes you can find these in the $40 to $50 price range. Sometimes they might be in the $60 price range, which is a little bit pricey. But I'm going to tell you what, this is an excellent cable, especially if you're trying to use this with your computer. It's a little bit of a pain on the cell phone, but the long cable is wonderful for your computer, and having this separate headphone and microphone jack is also wonderful for your computer. Right now I do have these plugged into my PC, and it sounds good on my phone as well. Now I did some audio testing on my phone and my PC, and I will say they do sound a little bit better on the PC than they did on the recordings I made on my phone. But this is awesome. It was worth every cent to buy these. If you need a really good sounding boom microphone, if you want to make calls and sound extremely natural and extremely nice, if you want to, get on Discord and chat with your buddies when you're gaming, this is just a really great sounding headphone kit. Now you can buy these with a set of headphones as well, or you can just buy the cable. But make sure you're buying the proper one. Like I said, there's the, the MMCX or the 2-pin. So make sure you're buying MMCX if your headphones are MMCX. Make sure you're buying 2-pin if your earphones or your in-ear monitors have a 2-pin design. Because if you get the wrong ones, they won't work with your earphones. I always have a bad habit of saying earphones, even though they're actually in-ear monitors we're talking about. So we're not talking about earphones or headphones or earbuds. We are talking about in-ear monitors. Antlion Audio also makes a full kit where you can buy these for a full-size set of headphones. I mean, they're a little bit different. I think they like stick on or something, and they're USB. Those are really made to use for your computer, but there are a couple of different kits. This particular one is for the in-ear monitor, so they do have several different type of headphone kits and in-ear monitors and all kinds of stuff, which is cool. So if you look on Amazon, almost every one of these headphone kits says frequently returned, so people are sending these back for some reason. Now, I've been more than happy with mine. I also know some people who have this Modmic, and they absolutely love this as well. This one's the one designed to go right on your headphones, but the one I got says frequently returned. This one says it. I'm not 100% sure why, but I don't see any problems with these items whatsoever. So I'm not really sure why people are returning these. I have 2 of the Antlion products right now, and I absolutely love these things. I mean, for the several months that I've had these, they have been excellent. No major complaints except for the couple of things with the cable and the way you hook it into your phone and whatnot that I told you about. I think these are great items. I purchased this with my own money. They did not send it to me. I'm not being paid for the review, yada, yada, yada. We're just we're just letting you know about a product here that I think is great. I'm very happy to have these. I will put a link in the video's description and the pinned comment to where you can get a set of these if you're looking for them. And yeah, there we go. Excellent boom microphone for your in-ear monitors. Absolutely love them. Definitely worth buying. Pick yourself up a set if that's something you're looking for. You probably won't regret it unless you don't like the way the cable plugs into your stuff or how long the cable is. But anyways, I can get past that. And yeah, awesome product. Don't forget to check out my Amazon affiliate links where you can get some really amazing stuff. At this point in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and huge shout out to my channel members. Channel memberships start at just a couple of dollars, and they really help this channel keep running and bringing you videos just like this. Don't forget to check out my affiliate links or the Danny Lightning merch store. You'll find some different ways to help support this channel in the video's description and the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos and hanging out with me on the live streams. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. Have a wonderful day, and we will catch you next time. See ya!